In this video, I will show you how to make font size larger on Chrome. Open up the Chrome browser. Go to these three dots in the upper right corner. Go down and push on Settings. Come over to this left column here and push on Appearance. We have this option here, Font Size. Push on this drop-down menu that says, Medium Recommended. Then select the option, Very Large. As you can see, the font size of Chrome has changed to large. If you want to make it smaller, push on the drop-down menu again. And select, Very Small. And that's how you do it, guys. How to make font size larger on Chrome.